Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to add your video to a category in YouTube on PC. Are you ready to optimize your video's visibility? Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Access YouTube Studio, the powerful platform for managing your videos. Step 2. At the top right corner, click Create. Look for the Create button located conveniently on the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Upload Videos. Choose the option to upload videos from the available menu. Step 4. In the upload flow, click Show More. While in the upload process, click on Show More to reveal additional settings. Step 5. Scroll down to Category. Keep scrolling until you find the Category section. By following these simple steps, you can categorize your video effectively and improve its discoverability. Start optimizing your YouTube videos now.